Here we have a 2012 62 plate Mini Cooper in British Racing Green. She's got quite a high spec on her, including the John Cooper Works aerodynamic body kit. Let me take you on a quick tour. So she's in really good shape. No stone chips across the bonnet. She has got the white stripes. They could come off, but we quite like them because they match the roof, etc. Coming around, she's got 17-inch Challenger alloys. Tyre tread's all good. I'll show you when we get further around. White mirror caps. Clear indicator lenses. They will an option extra. The fuel cap is the same colour as the body. That is the rear alloy wheel. And if I show you just down here, you can see the tread's pretty good across there. Coming around the back, as I said, she is a Cooper. Just going to open her up so you can see inside. Nothing to worry about in the boot. That is the packet that is brand new, that hasn't been used for the cargo nets. I'm just going to show you up here so you can see the seats. The backs of these front seats are good. Coming around here then, that is the tread on the rear alloy wheel on the driver's side. Clean lines all the way down the side, no dings and dents. And I'm just going to step inside. She has got the chili pack. Show you the back seats first. Headrests, they're in great condition, no rips, no tears, no animals, no nothing. All in good as they should be order. The passenger seat, all clean and tidy, as is the driver's seat. Bolsters are good, they sometimes get marked, but all the bolsters here are good. I am just going to step inside. And I will just start her up so you can hear and see her. Oh, turn that down. YouTube don't like that. So if I start over here, you can see she has got Bluetooth, and she has got the digital radio as well as the aux, the USB and your radio tuner. And if I bring you down here, you can see the aux connections are just down here. I need to hoover here because I can see we've got a valeter issue here. So coming across here, you've got all your dials. These either side are your windows, front and rear fog lights, and then that is your door locking. Across here you can see you've got your temperature controls. This is your fan speed, and this just, this side here is your temperature, and this is your aircon, which is all nice and cold. If I come across here, you can see here she has got the extra glove box, so she's got the storage compartment pack, and she has got a full book pack. I just haven't got it in the car at the minute, it's in the office. Up here she has got the anthracite roof lining, and across here you can see she's got her mood lighting, which you can change the colour of. On her steering wheel, she's got the multi-function steering wheel, and it's leather and it's trimmed like a JCW would be in red, because she has got the interior JCW package. And over this side is your controls for your cruise, and this side is your controls for your stereo. If I show you just up here, you can see she's got 40,186 miles that she's done. And she's got a really good service history, so we'll send her off for a pre-delivery inspection in the next few days. Just down here, you've got your sports button, you've got your auto on-off button, and just here you've got your extra dynamic stability control. She has got CD, which is in here, and she is, I'm just going to turn her off, she is a 2-key car. So there you can see she's got two, oops, let me get them so you can see both keys. Here we go. So there you can see she's got 2 remote keys. There. Door cards are all good. Roof, as I said, is white, which is rather nice in the contrast. This is your last alloy wheel. Oh, let's zoom you in. There we go, zoom you out rather. So that's your last alloy wheel. That is driver's side at the front, and that is your tyre tread, so all pretty good. So there you have her. She's a really nicely spec'd mini hatch Cooper with a John Cooper Works aerodynamic body kit, the Works interior package. She's done just over 40,000 miles. She has got full history, and if you'd like to see her, details will be on our website, which is mrsminnie.co.uk, and I'm on my mobile, which is 07540 29 22 22, if you'd like to come and see her in the flesh. Thanks for watching.